Hello and welcome back. As you can tell, the last couple of days have not gone very well. Please do comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake either of the last couple of days. And we will try again today with puzzle 123. Start with this column here. We've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2 and 6. I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 1 here. So this is our 2, 1, and 7. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 there. So 4, 6. No help here. 3, 4, 6. And a 3 here. So 4, 6. And that means that our 3 has to be here. Look at this column. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 6, and 8 here. 2, 6. That means our 8 has to be here. If we do this column here, looks like we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. Got 1, 6, and 7. So this is our 4. 1 there. So 6, 7, 7 here, so 1, 6. But now we've got this 4 here, that makes this our 6, 2, 6, 4. And the 6 comes down here, makes this our 7 and our 1. So for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. So if we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 6. But no help here. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, then, we're missing the 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. Oh, no, we have that 6 there. So that would make this our 2, so then this is our 6, 2. If we look at this column, then, we're missing a 1, 3, and 5. Got a 3 here, so 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 3. And no help here, so 1, 3, 5. If we look at this box here, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got the 9 here and the 5 here. So this is our 4. Sorry, we can't be missing 4, 5, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. So we've got the 9 here. So this could be 4, 7, and we got the 9 here and the 7 here. So this has to be our 4, which makes this our 7 and our 9. If we look at this column, then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. But that 6 makes this our 9, 6. look at this row now. We're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got the 3 here. So 1, 4. And 1 here. So 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got 1, 4, 5 here. So this is our 9. Got a 1 and a 5 here, so this is our 4. So we're still left with the 1 and 5. To finish out this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 5. We've got a 1, 5, and 4 here, so this is our 3. That can't be right again. Let's do this column. 1, 2. We were missing 3 and 9. Also not right. If this 4 makes this our 3, then this would be our 9. That 3 would make this our 1, 4. That 1 would make this our 5, 3. That 5 would make this our 1, 5. For this box then, we're missing a 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. To finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2 and 3. All right, I had a couple of times there that I thought I messed it all up again, but it looks like it turned out all right. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you're having a really good day, and come back tomorrow. We'll work on the next puzzle.